If you grew up in a typical African home, it was just normal to cook with meat and fish and with Maggi and no cube. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make moi moi with none of that, and it tastes amazing. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to make another vegan recipe, or if you are maybe you're tired of eating too much rice, or if you are intentional about not eating too much rice, you will get a substitute of that and it tastes incredible. So stay tuned as I share with you how I make my moi moi. It's very simple, easy, made with herbs. I mean, you don't need seasoning like Maggi, no cube, none of that. But you are going to have substitutes that I know that we all have, is all over the world, herbs that we can use to nourish our bodies. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want me to do any recipe of your choice, let me know in the comments below as well. And also in this video, in the video description, there's a link that will share with you how to make vegetable soup and also egusi soup, which is one of the main Nigerian soups, and even also Ghana too, and other African countries. So if you want to see how you can substitute eating meat and what you can eat instead of meat as a healthy option, I invite you to check out that video. The link is in the description, and let's get right into how to make moi moi and cauliflower rice. Let's get into it. Here I am using black-eyed peas. First, you get your blender to peel the beans so that you can wash it. And for me, growing up, my mother used to make moi moi and sell, so I used to do this process with mortar and pestle, but now I use blender and it's quicker. So you just crush it a little bit and turn it off, and here I did it like 3 times and that was it. So this process is faster compared to when I used to do it manually using mortar and pestle. So I'm done using the blender to peel the beans. So after that, you wash it, and here is how I washed it. You just put water and use a colander to remove the outer coat, and then you keep doing that till it's clean. Here I am showing you my beans. It is clean, and after washing it, you put water and soak it for 3 hours. After allowing it to soak for 3 hours, you put it in a blender. This blender is the one that I use to blend tomatoes for stew. That's why the color is like this. So in it I have red bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, and here I'm putting chives. It's a fresh herbs. Also baby dill. Here I am done blending. I'm going to turn it into this bowl and then make the sauce for it. So first I put my vegetable oil. I use grapeseed oil. Allow it to be hot a little bit, and then I added my onions, chopped onions. Here I'm going to make this stew the traditional way. I'm going to first use tin tomatoes and then allow it to fry a little bit. And after that, I'll pour in the blended tomatoes. So this video is a continuation of the last video that I made stew. You can see the pot of the stew on that end. I made this video on the same day. So I was supposed to put it on one video, but it was a little bit too long. Check the description for the video. Allow the stew to fry for some time, and after that I added my spices. So I'm going to put the names on the screen. So if you are liking this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. So after putting in the spices, I now pour in the tomatoes that I blended, and I mix everything all up. And then I added salt to it. We all know that salt makes every seasoning comes together. So, and I tested it, and this was good for rice, for anything, but I'm gonna use it for the moi moi. So there you have it. It was a bit too thick. I added water to it, and my sauce is ready. So I will now add it to the blended beans and mix it all up. And I will test it. If the salt is not enough, I'll add more salt. And if the spices were not enough, I'll add more. And my moi moi is almost ready. I mixed everything all up. Just mix it and test it. You know, like I said, I don't use Maggi or no cube. I just keep adding spices if it's not enough, and making sure that it is tasty and delicious. Like regular food, you keep mixing the ingredients in and testing to see if you need more things. And here I needed more salt, and I added a little, and I was good to go. So it's now time to wrap it. Here is my moi moi leaves. I got this from an African store here in the US, and I will rinse it and then use it. So for my pot, I'm going to put like something under it, because for moi moi you need to steam it. You use steam to cook moi moi, and I put a steamer inside the pot, and then I'm gonna wrap the moi moi and put it into the steamer, and then add water to the bottom of the pot and cook the moi moi. So that's how it goes. I hope I am making sense. So that's how you make your moi moi, and it is best to wrap your moi moi with moi moi leaves or put it in a metal container, not plastic or foil, because the foil is not healthy, and this channel is called Healthy Parenting. We gotta make everything healthy, so the foil is not healthy for the body. Moi moi leaves is actually healthy and it is safe. So I did some off camera to speed up this video. So there you have it. How to make your moi moi, vegan moi moi, with no Maggi, no meat, no chicken, no eggs, all plant-based, seasoned with herbs, with fresh ingredients, and it tastes amazing as well. So I'm gonna put a lid on it and put it on the stove. I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much. So my moi moi is ready, and this was the following day. This was on a Sunday. I don't know about you, but for us Nigerians, Sundays are for rice and stew. So in our house, we normally put veggies by the side when we eat our rice. So I did put veggies and steam it in my oven, and I'm gonna show you how I fix my food. So everything is set and ready. Here is my rice. I have my plantain by the side, and I grab one moi moi and I'm gonna put it in there. Isn't that gorgeous? And I added stew to it. That's my vegan stew. And then I'm gonna put my veggies by the side. So in my pan I have green beans, broccoli, Brussels sprout, and mushrooms. Guys, there you have it. Look at that plate of rice. Very beautiful, all vegan, very rich and healthy, and I love it. I don't know about you, but this is very healthy and delicious. I hope you like it. Next is cauliflower rice. So here are the ingredients. I'm gonna prep this one off camera and then we will cook it together. Here I have green peas, carrots, cauliflower, onions, green bell pepper, green beans, and my spices. So I'm done with prepping it, so let's make it. Before then, if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video as well. Alright, first of all, you put your pan or pot on the stove. Put in your vegetable oil and allow it to be hot a little bit. And then you add your chopped onions. Allow it to fry a little bit and then you add your chopped carrots. Also your green beans and your green bell pepper. Then you add your spices. So after adding in the green peas, I mix everything all up very well. Then I put in the main ingredient, which is the cauliflower. So I'm gonna put in and mix it and test it. If I need to add any seasoning to it, I will add it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I sincerely appreciate your support. And if you are not subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. So after testing it, for fried rice, we need that yellow color. But this is a different version of fried rice. So I added curry powder, salt, and Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning has 6 herbs in it, so it just makes everything comes together. So here I'm almost done mixing everything all up, tested it, and it was good. And also, because these are all veggies, you're not supposed to cook it for too long. So I am almost done, and your cauliflower rice is ready. So here it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Turn off my stove and let's dish the food. Instead of chicken by the side, I'm gonna put moi-moi, and I'm done. So my cauliflower rice is ready with moi-moi by the side. Doesn't this look amazing? And it was delicious as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video and let me know if you're going to make it. Thanks for watching. There you have it, guys. Let me know what recipe was your favorite. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know other recipes that you want me to make, and I'll come up with substitute. I'll come up with vegan recipe for it. I know how to switch because I've been cooking for over 30 years now. I know how to make the substitute. The important part is that we are healthy and we are moving towards making healthy choices. So if you want to watch more of those recipes, I invite you to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me also know your thoughts in the comments below in that video, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.